How to upload your app or game to Google Play Store. I'm going to guide you how to upload your app to Play Store. First, you have to create a Google Play developer account. As of today, there will be a one-time payment registration of $25. Next, prepare your APK or AAV file and gather all the necessary assets, such as high-quality screenshots, a compelling app description, promotional videos, icons, and a privacy policy. Then, upload the bundle to the Google Play console, fill out all the information, set the price, and configure your app release settings. Don't forget to set your target audience. Finally, submit your app for review. Usually, it only takes a few days to get a decision. You will be notified when your app has launched.